Hello, welcome to Schrodinger's cat. This video was inspired by my daughter Marianne asking why I didn't put together a short 3-minute video on what Schrodinger's cat was. So I'm complying. Thanks, Marianne. Schrodinger's cat essentially is a thought experiment conducted by Erwin Schroedinger way back when, can't remember the date. You have to look that one up. And he was trying to illustrate the ridiculousness of quantum mechanics in the aspect of superposition. Superposition essentially is the existence of something in more than one state. And in Schrodinger's example, the difference of state was a cat was both alive and dead at the same time. And in this illustration, the cat that will catch your eye first is the alive cat. However, the dead cat is always an option. And because it's always an option, that is why Schrodinger's cat is an illustration of superposition. Now, his thought experiment is fairly simple. A cat is put in a box with a phial of poison. There's a Geiger counter, and as soon as an atom decays, which is at random, the phial is broken, the cat dies. The illustration is that until the box is opened and there is an observer to assess whether the cat is alive or dead, it's in both states. It exists in superposition. This is an underpin of the quantum mechanical field because every particle is said now to be in superposition. That means that we also are in superposition. The crux of the matter, as far as superposition is concerned, is a principle known as wave-particle duality. I'll just call it duality for the time being. Or WP duality. Wave-particle duality is demonstrated by the double slit experiment. It's another experiment worth looking up rather than me explaining it here. And wave-particle duality is the essence of what makes us what we are. We exist as a waveform until such time as we collapse into particle format. When we collapse into particle format, that is our existence in 3 dimensions. That's what we know to be our plane of existence. If you conduct the double slit experiment and you put an observing device, a detector at one of the slits, then the particle will behave as a particle. You won't get an interference pattern to indicate that it's a wave. You take the detector away and it behaves as a wave. So observation has something to do with this, but we're not quite sure why or how. So in this scenario, the collapse of the wave packet forms either a live or a dead cat. And that essentially is the essence of Schrodinger's thought experiment. So I hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, have fun, love you lots. Bye.